Hello, you are now ready to start 6.01 Semester 1 Project Part 2, which is an Excel spreadsheet for the Unique Physique business. You are going to click on the 6.01 Graded Assignment Semester 1 Project to retrieve your instructions and click on Graded Assignment Semester 1 Project. You will see the assignment starts out with the Unique Physique flyer that we created in our last class. You will need to scroll down past Section 1 and find Section 2, which is called Create a Spreadsheet Analyzing Services and Sales. This spreadsheet will be given to you by your teacher, either by using file transfer in Blackboard, placing the file in the class content, or sending it to you via email. If you are not available to wait for the file to be given to you and want to go ahead and type it out, you may go ahead and create the spreadsheet as seen in Figure 3. Scrolling down further, you will see that there are a set of directions. You will follow steps A through M in completing Part 2 for the project. When you are finished, you should scroll down to the end of the directions and find the scoring guide or rubric for Section 2, Create a Spreadsheet Analyzing Services and Sales. You will see this section is worth 25 points. 10 points will be awarded if the spreadsheet contains all the information in the figure. 10 points will be awarded if the spreadsheet is formatted using the instructions for Part 2, and 5 points will be awarded if the formulas in the spreadsheet are correct. Let's get started. I have my Unique Physique Service and Sales Excel file that was given by the teacher, or you have typed it up if you chose to do it. So, step A is going to be to select A1 through D1, merge and center. I am to change the font size to 18. I am also to change the font to Lucida. And I am to make the font a dark green. Step B, I am to select A2 through D2, merge and center the cells. This time the font size will be 14. I am supposed to select Times New Roman, and my text will stay black. Step C, give the cells in row 3 a light purple fill. So I will select A3 through D3, find my paint bucket button, drop down, go to more colors. I'm looking for a very light purple, and I'm going to click OK. And it's going to fill in row 3 with a very light purple fill. Step D, I am to give the months a very light blue fill. Step E, make the headings in row 3 Times New Roman, bold, size 12, and centered. The text color shall stay black. In step F, I am to select the months in column A. I am going to change the font to Times New Roman, bold, size 12. Again, the text will stay black. Step G, in A22, I am going to add a label called total. I am to use the sum function to add the totals for number of clients and sales. So here in cell B23, I will type equals sum, left paren. I will highlight all the clients in column B and press enter. For sales, I will use equals sum, left paren. I will highlight all of the sales in column D and press enter. Step H, format the sales column to have the $ and 0 decimal places. I'm going to format sales column to have $, but no decimal places. So I will use this button here, which is decrease decimals, to remove the decimals. So it started out with 2 decimals, .00, and I'm going to decrease once, and I'm going to decrease twice. Step I. In cell A23, add the label average. In D23, enter the formula to calculate the average sales. So we're going to do equals A, V, and you're going to see average pop up. Equals average, left paren, oop, I didn't select it, I'm sorry guys. I will highlight the numbers in the sales column but not the total and press enter, and it will give me the average sales for the entire column. In cell A24, I am going to type in the label maximum. In D24, I am going to use the formula or the function equals max. And I'm going to highlight the sales, not the total. That's the highest number of sales. If you were to go through this entire list, you would see that the highest number of sales was in March. In cell A25, I will type in the word minimum as the label. I will use the formula equals or the function equals min. Again, I will select all of the sales, and it will return the lowest amount in the column, which was February dietary consultation. Create a thick black border around the entire spreadsheet. So I'm going to highlight my spreadsheet. I will right click, format cells, border. I will choose a thick line, and I will place it around the outside. Click OK. I will now save the spreadsheet. I'm finding my folder where I need to save it, and this is to be saved as service _ sales _ and then place your name in the file. That's the end of part 2.